Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fantastic superfood that has been a game changer in my daily routine. We are diving into Navitas Organics Maca powder. If you're looking for a natural energy boost and a way to balance your hormones, stay tuned. First, let's talk about what Maca is. Navitas Organics Maca powder is made from a root vegetable that grows in the Andes Mountains. It's known for its adaptogenic properties, which means it helps the body manage stress and maintain balance. Maca is packed with nutrients like vitamins B, C, and D, along with calcium, zinc, iron, and amino acids. Here are some of the benefits you can expect from adding maca to your diet. Many people, including myself, notice a significant boost in energy levels. It's a natural way to fight fatigue. Maca can help regulate hormonal imbalances, which is great for both men and women. It's known to help with mood swings and improve mental clarity and focus. You can easily incorporate maca powder into your diet. Here are some of my favorite ways to use it. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie for an energy boost. Mix it into your coffee or tea for a subtle nutty flavor and extra energy. It's great for adding to baked goods like muffins or pancakes. Now, let's talk about the taste. Maca powder has a slightly nutty and earthy flavor. It blends well with other ingredients, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Personally, I love the way it enhances the flavor of my smoothies without overpowering them. I've been using Navitas Organics Maca powder for about a month now, and I've noticed a remarkable difference in my energy levels and mood. I feel more balanced and focused throughout the day. It's become a staple in my daily routine. You might be wondering why I chose Navitas Organics. Well, the maca powder is organic, non-GMO, and ethically sourced. Plus, they are committed to quality and sustainability, which is something I highly value. If you're looking to add a powerful superfood to your diet, I highly recommend trying Navitas Organics Maca powder. It's an easy and effective way to boost your energy and support overall well-being. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more information and where you can purchase it. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more reviews and wellness tips, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.